There's that there. There's that there. There's this here. Pulled up on the truck just to check on the progress. Yeah, oh man, yeah. It's a lot of little things in there. Yeah, man, looks like a brand new truck.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're actually finally going to take our 2012 Tacoma X-Runner to get it repainted. And yes, we're going to keep the stock color, but there's a lot to get done. Like there's these two little holes right here that needs to get filled. There's that there. There's that there. There's this here with some other little indentations there. Let's see. There's lots of little like scratches here on the door. There's that there. Lots of little scratches right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll probably have to bring it out into the light to show you guys the rest. But there's a lot. So without further ado, let's take it out. And yeah, let's go get this thing painted. All right, so we're dropping it off. This is where it's going to be getting painted at. Right now we got 3,400, actually, 34,214 miles on the odometer here. This is the interior of the truck there. And so, all right, let me see if I can show you guys now that we're out of the vehicle. Yeah, so there's like little scratches there. Obviously a bunch of scratches right there. Another one there, a lot of scratches there. Like a whole bunch, right? A whole bunch of little scratches there. Let's see. Hey, what's up, man?
Did Kenny come out yet?
Huh?
Did Kenny come out?
No, he's busy. I'm doing like a video for the before and after.
I got you.
Alright, there's like little stuff there. There's dimples in the door over here. Yeah, that. The major ones up here, the little dimples up on the roof. And it's like every panel pretty much. You got there, all over here.
I think there was a couple panels that were pretty straight on the road.
Scratches here. This whole thing pretty much has to get done over. So yeah, it's a little bit of work, but I'm pretty sure once they're done, this thing is going to be looking like brand new. And that's what we're hoping for. So yeah, man, we're going to drop it off. Let's see how this goes. All right, so there it is. The X-Runner is off to get painted. So there's been a change of plan. So initially, I was just going to do a couple panels and try to fix a lot of the problems. But the guy, he knew what the X-Runner was, and he's like, man, this is too rare of a truck, too special of a truck. Like, you're better off just paying a little bit more to repaint the whole truck and to get it to look like showroom quality. And he even told me, like, so initially the turnaround time was going to be like 2 to 3 days. He's like, nah, this truck is special, so he wants to take his time and really do a good job on it. So yeah, man, that's where we're at. We're going to repaint the whole truck, and hopefully it's going to look just as new as our 2024 Mustang GT over here. Hopefully it's going to look like that when it's done, and we'll have two new looking cars pretty much, But yeah, so let's see how this goes. Like, I'm going to do all of this in one video. So once I'm taking delivery of it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And like I said, I've been telling you guys, like, this is like serious. The work that I'm putting into the X-Runner is something that I plan on keeping forever. So once that is done, the next step is going to be doing the interior, and I'll take you guys along for the ride with that once we do the interior. And then once the interior is done, initially I was planning on doing the speakers and everything like first, but then I realized like my Bluetooth actually works now with the last mod that I did. So I'll go over that once I get it. Once I get the truck back, I'll show you. So my Bluetooth actually works, and now I'm like, okay, so all I really got to do is just do the speakers and the antenna. So I'm gonna wait a while, wait till it's fully painted, and I'll probably do the interior first, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Whichever. It'll either be I'll go do the speakers and then the interior, or vice versa. But once the interior is done, the exterior is done, you know, speakers, everything is just the way I want, then we're going to start getting into performance mods on the X-Runner, and then we'll see if it'll be able to keep up with our Mustang GT over here. So yeah, man, things about to get really interesting on the channel. We got a lot of awesome things happening. So let's see how everything goes. All right, rolling up on the X-Runner. That's it right there. I don't know if I could zoom in. There you go. Yeah, so let's pull up and see how far they've gotten with the progress. Yeah. All right, guys. So we pulled up on the truck to check on the progress. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. It's a lot of little things in here, and then we got to replace this. So that's gonna get replaced. But yeah, I can see they went to work on the truck. It's coming together. It's coming together. So yeah. You got, so this showing you all the imperfections, all the things that needed to get done on the truck. Yeah, you can see the roof needed like a lot. You got on the side here, down here. We're gonna have to redo the whole rear section here. But yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together. But it's gonna be, by the time it's done, man, this thing's gonna be mint. So just stay tuned. You know, X-Runner is coming back stronger, better than ever. And we got the new, so that's the old mirror cap cover. We got the new mirror cap cover in here. It's gonna get painted and put on. So yeah, that's it. So the truck is back. Our X-Runner is back. And it is painted. It is fully painted. Now, actually, no, I did not paint the hood. So I still have to take it back at some point to get the hood done. And I got a couple other little things to touch up. But I'll kind of do a quick walk around while it's in the garage. And you guys can see. It's dusty from, yeah, I haven't washed it yet, obviously. So I got to go wash it and stuff. But came out pretty awesome. And I'll let you guys see it out in the sunshine once I get it out there. But yeah, man, this is the first major mod. I told you guys I was going to do it. Repainted the whole truck. Truck looks like brand new. Like I said, still got a couple other little things to do. And then we got to do the interior. And then once the interior is done, then we're going to start throwing some power at this thing. So we got a lot more, so stay tuned. All right, so the X-Runner has been painted. I don't know if you guys remember all of the dents and blemishes and stuff. They've all been wiped out, and yeah, man, looks like a brand new truck. Like, I still got to get a couple things done. Like, still got to fill these holes here. That was done because it came from Colorado, and I guess they had to have a front plate. But I don't know if you guys remember, on the top of the roof line, there were dents and stuff. On the side there was a bunch of dents. Everything's been fixed and been repainted. But I still want to fine tune it a little bit, so we're probably going to take it back because I didn't do the hood. So we're going to do the hood, and then we're going to do some light wet sanding and buffing, and then we're going to, by the way, it hasn't even been washed yet, so I'm going to wait to wash it because it was just, you know, freshly painted. So yeah, so then I'm going to probably get it wet sanded and buffed, then we're going to get it, what's that word? We're going to get ceramic coating. Yes, we're going to get it ceramic coated and sealed up and everything so that we can preserve it and really, you know, keep it looking beautiful the way it is. But yeah, man, I'm very happy with how it was done. You can see this was all scratched up and everything. So it's nice to see this looking like mint and nice and clean. Like, man, I'm in love with this truck, man. it's been a labor of love, you know, to get it the way how I want. But we're getting there slowly but surely. Comment below, let me know, do you think, should I go ahead and add some aftermarket wheels, or should I get these wheels painted black? So I can get these wheels painted black, or I can go with like some bigger aftermarket wheels. But since I'm planning on supercharging it, and actually before I even supercharge, I'm probably going to do like an NA build first to increase the power. Since I'm doing that, should I keep the OEM wheels? Because I know those are best, you know, for keep making this thing quick. The OEM wheels are pretty awesome. So comment below, let me know what you think we should do. So I think I'm going to start throwing power at it. I got to replace the windshield, and I'm going to upgrade the speakers. The head unit is already done, but I have some new speakers that I want to put in there, so I'm going to put that in, and I may put an amp on it as well. But the build, this thing is coming together, man. This thing is coming together, and soon it's going to be like the perfect show truck. Like we're getting there slowly but surely. But yeah, man, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, send it out to your friends. Send it out if you're interested in getting a truck like this and you want to know on how to build it. Definitely subscribe to the channel, because I'm taking you through the process of everything it takes to make one of these trucks like brand new again. But yeah, man, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And with that, Race Car Friends out. Oh, we got Joanna back on the channel, man. What's going on? I know, man. But they keep asking. They love your reviews. They love your reviews. Yeah.